Limited liability company BSVT New Technologies has been working since 2012 and now employs more than 100 people. The company consists of the following units: Information Technologies Department, Design Department, Department of Radio Electronic Equipment Designing, Laboratory of Small Arms, Production Area, and Optical Laboratory. The company is engaged in developments in the field of military and civilian technologies. We cooperate with many countries, both near and far. For our customers, we produce high-quality optoelectronic systems, navigation systems, small arms and training systems, and also we modernize military equipment. Our experience and practice allowed us to develop a complex system of total control of troops and units called Alliance. Why do we need such a system? After working on the modernization of existing military equipment, we realized how important it is to ensure not only reliable management of the subordinate units and combat groups, but also the interaction between units up to a separate fighter in real time. In development, it is decided to go from software that is fully developed by our company, which guarantees its reliability, flexibility and security. Due to modern technologies, the Alliance works on any device from smartwatches to server equipment. Today we support such operating systems as Android, iOS, Windows and Linux. The system allows to exchange data in real time using communication lines such as 4G, Internet, USB, Wi-Fi and digital radio station, which allows using both existing infrastructure and to create a new one with a high degree of security. Since all software is developed by specialists of our company, we guarantee: firstly, the smooth operation of all elements of the system supplied by our company. Secondly, the absolute impossibility for data hacking and gaining access by people who have no authority for this. Thirdly, we provide the possibility of remote support and software updates. Fourthly, the device interaction algorithm designed by our company, which doesn't have a single server, allows reliable communication and data storage even when a member of the department leaves. Also, one of the important features of Alliance is the possibility of flexible integration of all kinds of equipment, not only of our own design but also of other producers. Using wired and wireless technology, we can integrate any equipment of the system, whether they are sensors, server line systems, signs and more, interacting with the base device via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. For example, the Scout observation device Puma LRF. This is the thermal vision device of our own production, equipped with gyroscope, laser rangefinder and GPS receiver. It allows not only to detect and recognize targets in condition of poor visibility, but also in automatic mode to mark the target on the digital map of the terrain with the addition of photos and the detected object. If desired, Puma LRF can be used as a device for adjusting artillery fire, measuring the distance between the target and the point of impact of the projectile, and calculating the correction for the weapon. For example, Puma 90H, the thermal vision sight of a new generation. In addition to high-quality thermal imaging, Smart Sight allows you to make correction to the basic data for firing and adjusting weapon fire, and the use of accelerometer in it to count the number of used ammunition. This can be used for the logistic on the battlefield. But wait, there is more. Alliance Control and Management System allows you to obtain a video image remotely from any such device at any of the higher levels of control. It means that when you are sitting in the headquarters, you can see the same that any of the participants in the operation see. Thanks to our developments, we can integrate any device or equipment in Alliance without any modifications. For example, using an UAV in conjunction with our system, it is now possible to automatically mark on the terrain map its location and add target marks accompanied by additional information. When creating the comprehensive system Alliance, we were guided by modern requirements for the control of troops. Thanks to the work in the general geoinformation space in real time, we increased the operational awareness of each participant in the operation. Having such data allows the commander to respond to developments in a timely manner, which increases the chances of successful operations. Naturally, we're about the information security and allow the ability to restrict access for for each team of the unit up to separate fighter, and also we encrypt all the data transmitted in the system, which guarantees its security against hacking. And since we transfer the source code of the programs to the customer, they are free to change the ciphers themselves. Building the system in hierarchical order allowed firstly to implement the system with access levels, over which the information is distributed, and secondly to provide a protective mechanism for data blocking in case devices are with the enemy, so they are unable to use the system against us. Thus, the complex system alliance can be used in various situations and implement a wide range of tasks at the customer's request, from civil tasks to large-scale military operations.